Hello, and welcome back to Cosmetix's YouTube channel. My name is Aluta, and today I went into it with this fab makeup look, ready to go for school or work. And if you follow along, you too can get into it and know how to do it and how to achieve this look. So the first step to any good makeup routine is to prime your face. It should be part of your routine if you're using makeup, because it is to basically lay a foundation before your foundation, and it really revitalizes the skin, adds a little freshness if your skin is dry. And today we'll be using the Vitamin C Fresh Glow Primer for that. And just rub that in. Make sure you put it under your under eyes also. Under eyes do get dry sometimes. Step 2 is to put on foundation. So our foundation that we're going to be using today is the True Skin Foundation, shade 70 and shade 90. I'm going to be mixing those in because I have a yellow undertone, but I am still brown skin obviously, so this is a bit too warm for me. But the 70 also has the yellowish undertone, so if you mix those together, magic happens. Step 3 is to conceal your under eyes and to add some onto your forehead, your chin area, and maybe your mouth area. I'm going to be using the Liquid Camouflage Concealer in shade 65. So we are going in with that under. Outer chin, forehead, a bit. Bring that down a bit. So to add more dimension to our face, to contour, to bronze out everything, we are going to be using the Magic Stick from Catrice. This is basically a double-sided contour stick and also a highlighter. This is how it looks. Have the Catrice logo on there. It comes in 3 different shades. This is shade 60, the darkest one of them. Today I'll just be using it just like that. Blend it out afterwards. And then we're going to be contouring our nose, sides of the nose just a bit. A little trick that you can use also to basically plump up your lips a bit more is to add contour to the top of your lip. And that's what I'm going to be doing now. Just a bit. See how it looks. When you add lip gloss to this afterwards, it's going to look really nice. Going in with our highlighter now to just highlight your nose. Bring that out with your finger and highlight your cheekbones. Have to blend that out. And finally, to set our face, we are going to be using the Invisible Matte Loose Powder. That's how it looks. I'm going to be using a powder puff for this, and it is triangular shaped a bit, so that you can go into your inner eyes, set that, and so that your concealer does not shift. Going in with our concealer brush one more time so that there are no creases. I usually dab. Some people blow it away, but I usually just use the back of my hand, tap it a bit. You can always reuse that afterwards, so do not waste in this household. Inner corner, outer corner, down a bit. I know it looks a bit ashy right now, but I'm going to be fixing that with a setting spray to make sure that everything sits perfectly. And also I'm going to be using another brush to just brush away the excess powder. And finally, to set our face, we are going to be using the Ultra Lost 2 Fixing Spray by Catrice. This is how it looks. Literally my favorite setting spray ever because it makes sure that your makeup does not shift. You're going to look drenched. That's what we want. When it does set and when it does dry, thank me later. It doesn't really look like much is being done, but the fact that it is on our face and it has removed the whiteness from the powder really helps. It also helps because look, nothing on your finger. I will be using the Catrice Brow Fix Soap Stick. That's how it looks. And then we go in with our soap stick end and we press down. Press, brush and press, brush and press. Still natural looking but also put together, which we love. So the next step is to add a bit more color to our face. We are going to be using the Catrice Cheek Affair highlighter and blush combo palette, and this is how it looks. This is in the shade 020 End of Friend Zone. We are going to be using the Marvelicious Lip Balm in shade 20. We are now going to be going into our eyes with our curling mascara from Catrice. It is a volume and curl mascara. Just look at that difference. Look at that difference. With nothing on. With the curling on. Do you see this? And that is the final look. Let us get into it. We've got the blush, we've got the lashes, we've got the primmed and primed eyebrows, the glossy lips, the highlighter, the contour, chiseled faces all year round. You can also achieve this look by using our Catrice products, and you can find them at Discam or at Clicks or on our website at houseofcosmetics.co.za. I'll see you next time. Bye.